Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday, January the 20th, and I just got back from doing a Target run and also going to Aldi to pick up some household and grocery items that we needed. From Target, I was able to get a new mop and duster. I've been wanting one for a while now. If you don't follow Vacuum to Let's Part, you should, because she has this wonderful mop and duster that is like extra wide, and so she's saving half the time on cleaning her floors when she is mopping. And so I was typically using either a triangular shaped steam mop or the Swiffer. However, it would take me a longer period of time because it took me more mop strokes, and so I went on ahead and bought an extra wide mop slash duster from Target. It's a Clorox brand, and there'll be footage in the video showing you more specifics on that a little later. And then I also am going to be showing you just some items that I got from Aldi. I go to Aldi every week for our grocery household items. Sometimes I do dabble into Harris Teeter or Food Lion, but typically it is Aldi first. I'm gonna go ahead and get to putting these groceries away and showing you guys what I got from Aldi, and then moving into my little spot clean, weekend spot clean, if you should say, with me video, with paying most of my attention on the floors. And we're gonna go ahead and get started, and I hope you enjoy. Bye. Okay, so here are just some of the items I was able to get from Aldi. I went on ahead and got some chicken breast because it was $1.49 a pound. Also got some salmon. I think that Aldi's has the best pricing for salmon. You can see this is the family pack, and it was only for 18 bucks. Some center cut bacon, tilapia. We got some Thai red sauce, apple cider vinegar, oil, grapes. Over here you can see some bananas. Most of this piled up right here in this little section are just some frozen vegetables, and some fruit items, cheese, and some nuts for snacks for lunches. Chicken stock, because I use that when I make rice, and then more vegetables and more fruit like mangoes, and I think underneath there some blackberries. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get this stuff put away. So here is the mop slash duster that I bought from Target. Like I told you before, it is by Clorox. Mainly be using the mop side and probably not the duster, but I think this may come in handy for other days. But for today, I'll be focused on using this one. I believe that this is washable. Also had some refills of these in the store, so I'm guessing you can wash it until you feel like it's about falling apart or too dirty, not getting clean enough, and then you can go and get a new pad for it that they sell in the store. And I believe this actual mop slash duster was $11.99, and that the refillable pads was $6.99 at Target. It may be a little cheaper at Walmart, but I didn't venture on Walmart today to see what the price was. So I got this. And then the Mop and Squirt by Murphy oil soap. So I'll be using this. This will be my first time using this, so we'll see how it works. I was going to go for the Mop and Squirt for the Method brand, but The reviews on it were a little iffy, so I went on ahead and got this because this is a classic. Your mama, your grandma, and your auntie, they all use this brand. And so I went on ahead and went with the old oldie but goodie. But if you've used the Method brand for the mop and squirt, comment down in the comment section below and let me know what your thoughts are on it. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.